here at the Old Creek Lodge in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. See what kind of elevator we got. Ooh, Dover Impulse, just as expected. It's like River House. 4. 2J elevator fan, candy cart, and I think Floridian elevator is the smallest. ADA compliant phone. Somebody called it. There's a camera in there. Here's a view on the 4th floor. Very nice rustic style building. I think someone called it. Ooh, careful. The ice machine, if you guess free. This red reminds me of the River House Motor Lodge, which I think is right over there. I think it's closed because of the fire. I was gonna film that Dover Impulse. That one also serves 4 floors, but it's an older one. And it's the opposite way around. Actually, Dover Blue Shaft equipment. See if this thing parks. Here's your cab view. A very nice Dover cab. Oh, there's a security camera. So I'm just gonna, I may stop until, you know, I don't want to overstay my welcome. Although Gatlinburg's nice, still want to be respectful. This thing's quick. Want to film some vintage Lexans today, though. Here's a call line. Actually, I'm gonna listen to the motor room. I don't know if you can hear it, but... And that's it.